Hey guys, welcome back to the operating system playlist, and today we are going to discuss about the page replacement algorithm. So this algorithm is used to reduce the page fault in the page table and paging. So why we need of the page replacement algorithm? So this algorithm decides which memory page to page swapped when the CPU requests need to be allocated. This algorithm uses three techniques. The first one is your FIFO, and second one is your LRU, and third one is your optimal. So these three techniques, or we can say these three algorithm is used for the page replacement algorithm. So let us consider first FIFO technique. So as according to the name of FIFO, in this algorithm, first in first out technique is used. You have to keep one thing in the mind, that it replaces the page that has been in memory the longest time. It means the page which has the longest time will be come out first. So let us consider an example and understand how it happened. So this is our reference string 7012030423031217. So these are the different pages, or can say these are the page number. So the CPU is demanding the page. So first one we have to check is this page is in the main memory, or we can say it is present in the main memory or not. If it is present, then okay, and if it is not present, then we have to get it from the secondary memory and store in the main memory. So this is the simplest idea of the page replacement and algorithm. We can say simply a page will go, if it is not present in the main memory, then we get it from the disk, and we get it from the disk and return it back to the main memory. So this is how we get the our number. So solve this equation. Let's see how it happen. I am considering the CPU tackle, the number of frames are 3. So at a time there will be the 3 frame. So these are the frame, on at a time 3 frame will work. So in the starting there is a no page. So the page number 7 is not present in the frame, or we can say in the main memory. So it has, there is will be a 7. And again in the case 0, so 0 is not present here, so there will be 0. Again 1, so 1 is not, sorry, the 1 is not present here. So if 1 is not present here, we get it from disk. So 701, so there is a fault, because in the starting there was nothing. It means there was not 7 was not, so there was a page fault. In this case there is no 0, so there is page fault. And in this case there was not present 1, so in this also there will be a page fault. In the case of 2, up now you can see there is no more frames, so we have to replace for among of these three pages. We have to swap from all these, but which one we have to choose? So according to the technique, the FIFO, first come first out. So which one has come first? So 7 was come first, so we will consider first. And in this simple region, the 7 will go the disk, and from disk 2 will come in the main memory. So there will be 2, then 0 1 as it is. So again there was a page fault because 2 was not present in this region. And if I consider 0, so 0 is already present, so there is not a page fault. So this will be as like a page hit, so it will be as it is. In the case of 3, so 3 is not present in this region, so we have to swap according using the FIFO technique. According to FIFO technique, 0 was first in this, so 0 will be swap out with 3. So 2 3 1, and there will be cross as according to page fault. Up again there is a 0, so in this case there is a no 0, so you have to swap your 0 with the first come first technique, using the first come first out technique. So in this region you can see 1 come first, so 1 will swap with 0, so 2 3 0. So again there is a page fault. In the case of 4, 4 is not present in the main memory, so we have to swap with using disk So 4 will be swap using, sorry, 4 will be swap with 2 because 2 was come first as comparison to 3 and 0. So 2 will swap to 4. So 4 3 0, and there was a page fault. In the case of 2, there is no 2, so 2 will be swap using the 2 will be swapped with 3, so there will be 2 4 0. Again there is a pass fault. In the case of 3, you will see that there is no the 3 is not present in it, so again there is a pass fault. So 0 was first, so it will swap with 0, so 3 4, sorry, 4 2 3. In the case of 0, there is a no 0, so in this case you have to, again in this case you have to check first FIFO technique. So according to FIFO, 2 come first or 4 come first, so 4 will swap with 0, so 0 2 3. And again 3 is present already in it, so you will write as it is. Okay, and in the case of 1, so 1 is not present in this region, so you will swap it using the FIFO. So which one come first, 2 or 3? So 2 come first, so replace with 2, so 0 3. And in the case of 2, 2 with swap with 3, so here 2 1 0. In the case of 0 and 1, so it will be as it is, it will be as it is. In the last there is a 7, so 7 is not present in this region, so you have to swap with 0 well, because 0 was first, so there will be 7 1 2. In this case is cross, or we can say this is a page fault. So how many page fault are in this question? So there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there is number of page fault are 12. How many heads are in this question? There is 1 2 3 4. So 4 is your we can say your page hit. So this is how we solve the page replacement algorithm. Sorry, there was a 13 page fault because I just forgot to count this one. So total page fault are 13 and the page hit are 4 1 2 3 4. You can give your answer in the percentage and in the number as according to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood what I try to understand you, and keep learning. Thank you so much.